Today we're going to be taking a look at a statement of stockholders' equity. We're going to take a look at what it looks like and what's it for, how we fill it out, things like that. Let's get going. Alright, so here you can see we have the statement of stockholders' equity. It's very small. It's really just a summary of just a few things to let the stockholders know how much value is added to the company and how much money did the stockholders get from dividends. And so that's what we're going to take a look. Now, a lot of this information is going to be coming from the given section here. I give this amount to you guys on the test. I give this amount on your practice. And so this given section you can use to fill out some of these boxes. So I'm going to show you what you can fill out here. So first of all, we know we have 56 shares of common stock. You can go over here and look at the given section. So not common dividends, number of common stocks. Common stocks is 56. And so this is where we got it from, and we have a par value of 2,453. Okay, 2,453. That's important because here, this amount is how much these shares are worth. How much money is in our common stock account. So we press equal 56 times, and if you want, you can go back over here and you can select 2,453. Now notice we are not keeping track of preferred stock here. So the preferred stock value, preferred stocks, the number of them, we don't care about that here because this is stockholders' equity in the common stock section. Okay. Okay, and then how much retained earnings did we have from last year? Not this year. Here's this year's right here. We don't care about that yet. We want to know how much did we keep in retained earnings from last year, and that's this number here, 28,854. So this equals 28,854. Oh, I used an equal sign. Whoops, don't need that. Okay, 28,854. So then, how much money total did we have between common stock and retained earnings? In other words, how much equity did we have? So we're going to press equal. This plus this is my total equity. Okay. Now the next thing is we've added some money, of course, this year, hopefully to these accounts. And so we've got net income. All right. So net income we got from our income sheet. So you need the income sheet to fill this out. All right, so we've got net income of 70,895. All right, so that net income is going to go right here. So this is going to equal my net income. All right, great. And so, of course, the total here of this net income is the same. So this equals that right there. So this money right now is considered equity. Of course, then we did some cash dividends. We paid some money out to our stockholders. So that amount will go down. So let's go ahead and figure that out. How much did I pay to my common stockholders? Well, common dividends, right? It's right here. So we're going to press equal, and we're going to put in the common dividends, the amount we promised to pay to them. We put it right here. Okay. And then right here. Oh, my bad. I forgot to tell you something about this value. So this needs to be negative, okay, because this amount was spent. Okay, and typically we keep it positive here, but this we want to mark as negative. The way you do that is if you select, so let's start over. Let's say you select common dividends, you would want to put a minus before that. Okay, so one more time, we would do equal, negative, and then that. Now this turned into parentheses. It may not have on yours. That's because I chose to turn this into accounting or financial. Actually, in this case, I did financial, and then I got rid of the decimals. So that's why it's showing up as parentheses on mine. Okay, and that's the way I like it. Over here, this of course is going to match. So this equals this. Great. And then did we issue any common stock? We did not. So we're going to keep this 0. And that's typically going to be true on all years as well. We did not issue any new common stock to keep things simple. All right, so then the question is just what's the balances? Well, if we didn't issue any new stock, well then our balances are still 137,000 in common stock. But we had a change in retained earnings, so we need to calculate that. So this equals, we've got previous retained earnings, okay, plus we added some income, plus we spent some money. Now I know it seems like why would you add that, but this is already negative. So all we have to do is add this negative value and it will subtract it. If we press enter. Another way to do this is to press equal, sum, parentheses, highlight this entire area, press enter. And this is now how much we added to our retained earnings. So now my total equity has changed. Equals this plus this, and my total equity has changed to 229,000 from 166,000 this year. All right, sweet. Well, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. If not, see you next time.